Welcome to Video 2, Supply and Demand, Global Expansion. Our learning objectives are to explain the forces of supply and demand and describe the interaction of supply and demand and the economy. Supply is the amount of goods and services for sale at different prices. Demand refers to the willingness and ability of buyers to purchase goods and services at different prices.
This graphic illustrates when demand falls, supply rises, and price falls. When demand rises and supply falls, prices rise. The demand curve is a graph of the amount of product that buyers will purchase at different prices. Here is an example of the demand curve. As you can see, higher prices lead to a contradiction of quantity demanded. Lower prices lead to an expansion of quantity demanded. Separate shifts in demand and supply have obvious effects on prices and the availability of products. In the real world, changes do not alternatively affect demand and supply. Several factors often change at the same time, and they keep changing. The point where the two curves meet identifies the equilibrium price, the prevailing market price at which you can buy an item. Should the actual market price differ from the equilibrium price, buyers and sellers tend to make economic choices that restore the equilibrium level. Consider the things that you buy. How does supply and demand affect the prices? How does it affect the price of coffee, smartphones, and even your laptops? Businesses face a number of important economic challenges. As the economies of countries around the globe become increasingly interconnected, governments and businesses must compete throughout the world. Although no one can predict the future, both governments and businesses will likely need to meet several challenges. Thank you for viewing Video 2, Supply and Demand and its Effects on the Economy.